Africa Content TV.
Yeah, good evening everybody. I don't have much to say. All I can say, I'm a lucky man to have this beautiful woman. Like, I'm so lucky. She's very beautiful. She's smart too. She believes in God. And I believe nobody can be mother of my kids than her. She's a very beautiful woman. And I love you all my in-laws. I can see the support you're giving me. Now Nigeria is home. This is my home now. Tanzania and Nigeria, they're all my home. We connected this. And lastly, all my friends, my homies, Omi Dimples, Diamond Platinum, Ginako, Ray, Chief, Ace Akibira, Jimmy Chancellor, everybody. So sorry, Diamond Platinum, I want you to represent everybody. One time, come on stage. One time, my brother, please. One time to represent everybody. Real quick. Yeah, one time. We came, they came all the way from Tanzania to come and support me. Make some noise for my brother Platinum one time. Bro, you know that I love you so much, bro. I know you're a busy guy, you have a lot of things to do, but you say no matter what, I must be there to support you. Not only you, everybody who is there. I love you guys so much. So I chose you to represent other guys, say anything to our new family. This is our people. This is our new family. Anything you want to say to them, please.
Hello everybody. So our new family, as my friend Jux said, first of all, we want to thank you so much. The love is amazing, and trust me, you guys should expect more love than this when you come to Tanzania. That's a promise. And of course, we've learned something when we came here, but trust me, we are trying to see how can we counter-attack it. So when you come to Tanzania, apart from seeing the love, support, but we'll make sure that we beat this wedding so that we make you guys proud. As you know, the husband must make sure that he makes his wife proud. So he make you guys proud when you come to Tanzania. Thank you so much. Thanks to everybody. Since we go here, the love is amazing and we love you so much. And as you see now, we have Jux here, got married. We have a lot of Tanzanian brothers here. They're looking for new wives as well. I didn't say me. Not me, but there's a lot of Tanzanian brothers here. We trying to see if we can be able to get another wedding from here.
Thank you, guy. I love you so much. This is home. I love you so much. Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the rest of the party.